Okay, there is a shorthand way of putting together ions for an ionic formula, particularly useful if you've got mixtures of 2+ and 3+ and the big ions like that. For example, if we take aluminium oxide, okay, we've got an aluminium and an oxide ion. The aluminium ion is a 3+, the oxide ion is a 2-. All you do to make the formula is take that 3 and move it down to the oxygen, the oxide ion. Take the 2 and move it down to the aluminium. So when you put that together, you write the aluminium, then the 2 for the oxide ion, then the O itself, and then the 3 for the aluminium ion. And that will automatically give you the correct formula for aluminium oxide. If we take another one, like magnesium phosphate. Okay, the magnesium is a 2+ ion. The phosphate, may not have seen this one before, is a 3- ion. We take the 2 of the magnesium and make that the number of phosphate ions that we're going to have. We take the 3 of the phosphate and make that the number of magnesium ions that we're going to have. So we write the formula as Mg, then we put the 3 of the phosphate, then we want the PO4 ion. Now we want 2 of those. We need to put brackets around the PO4 to show we've got 2 of the phosphate. Again, that automatically writes the correct formula. Works for smaller ions as well. If we have something like iron 3 hydroxide, iron 3 ion is a 3+, the hydroxide is a 1-. Okay, I'll put the 1 in there, don't normally write the 1. We put the 3, transfer that to give us the number of OHs, and then the 1, the number of negatives, we move to the ion. Now we don't normally write 1s in formulae, so the formula is only going to be Fe, and that is 1 Fe, no need for any extra numbers. And then the hydroxide, but 3 of those, we brought 3 down to give us the number of hydroxide. One final example, if we have, say, sodium sulfate. Sodium is a plus ion, sulfate is SO4 2-. Okay, that's 1 plus the sodium. Wouldn't normally write the 1. So the 1 gives us the number of sulfates, and the 2, the sulfate, gives us the number of sodiums. So we write that out as sodium, then the 2 and the sulfate, and then 1 sulfate ion. We don't put brackets in a 1, there's no need. That just shows there is 1 sulfate ion.